How to delete Chrome history on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete Chrome history on Android. So first thing, just head over to your Chrome application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you can see the history option. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it here, you should be seeing all of your history over here. So now to simply clear your history or simply delete it, you can just tap on this particular button, that is delete browsing history or delete browsing data. So it will take you onto this page where you can see, where you can not only clear the history, you can also clear the cookies or site which may contain in your site you visit or you have already visited, and you can also clear all the cached images or files. So basically you have to tap on any of these things which you want to delete and just click on delete data from over here and just completely delete all of the history from your Google Chrome browser, just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.